Now we will study the structure of DNA. DNA, the full form of DNA is deoxyribose nucleic acid. It is the genetic material, the genes what we call present inside our nucleus on the chromosome is DNA. Let us study the chemical structure of DNA. Each and every DNA or the DNA consists of three chemicals mainly. One is sugar, second one phosphate group, and third one nitrogen bases. So which is the sugar present in case of DNA? It is deoxyribose. It is deoxyribose. It is also called as pentose sugar. It is also called as pentose sugar. Then a phosphate group is present and nitrogen bases are present. Which are those nitrogen bases? Nitrogen bases are of two types: purines and pyrimidines. Purines and pyrimidines. Purines are double ring structure. Purines are with double ring structure and pyrimidines are with single ring structure. There are two purines or two nitrogen bases which are purines. They are adenine and guanine. Symbolically we write it as A and G, adenine and guanine. And pyrimidine are T and C, thymine and cytosine. T stand for thymine, C stand for cytosine. So these are the chemicals present in a DNA. Sugar, that is pentose sugar, deoxyribose, phosphate group, nitrogen bases, purines and pyrimidines. Purines A and G are example for purines, adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines T and C are example for pyrimidine, thymine and cytosine. Now let us study how are they joined, how the bond is formed. Let us study about that now. Let us study about that. Now see on a nitrogen base. I'll take A, adenine. Okay. Nitrogen base makes bond with sugar. Nitrogen base makes bonds with sugar. And sugar makes bond with the phosphate. Adenine, sugar, phosphate. Nitrogen base, sugar and phosphate. Now this bond together, these three together, it is known as nucleotide. Nucleotide. It is called as nucleotide. The combination of these two, nitrogen base and sugar, is called as nucleoside. It is called as nucleoside. Along with phosphate, it is called as nucleotide. So this is one nucleotide. This is one nucleotide. Now another nucleotide below that, say another nitrogen base, you can take G. Guanine makes bond with the sugar, and sugar, it makes bond with the phosphate. See the link. First nucleotide, second nucleotide, next nucleotide. Then again cytosine, sugar. See, there are so many nucleotides here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thus, there are many nucleotides. So, we call DNA as polynucleotide. Now, this is one strand. This is one strand of DNA. But DNA is a double-stranded. DNA is double-stranded. This is single strand. Whenever we draw DNA, we draw one strand. This is single strand. But it is not single stranded. DNA is double stranded. There will be another strand. So just opposite to that, there will be another polynucleotide or another DNA strand, and let us see that. Now here there should be another nitrogen base, then sugar, then phosphate. Nitrogen base, sugar, phosphate. Nitrogen base, sugar, phosphate. Nitrogen base, sugar, phosphate. Now, very important part, opposite to this nitrogen base, any nitrogen base cannot come here. Always one nitrogen base makes pair with another nitrogen base with the help of hydrogen bond. But there is one scheme called as complementary base pairing. What is that complementary base pairing? Complementary base pairing means A always makes pair with the T and G always makes pair with C. Adenine and thymine, guanine and cytosine. Purine makes pair with pyrimidine. So T means A, C means G. And in between these two, there is hydrogen bond. Between A and T, double hydrogen bond. Between G and C, triple hydrogen bond. So now this is one strand of DNA, this is another strand of DNA, and in between that there is bond of hydrogen. Now this is just like ladder. How that to twisted ladder? Ladder is twisted. Okay. So it is twisted, and when it twists, I'll rub this. See now. So from here to here, suppose this is one turn, one twist, one turn. This one turn is called as one pitch. One pitch. And its length is 3.4 nm. Nm means nanometer. And in this one pitch, these are nitrogen base pairing. Okay, there are 10 nitrogen base pair. So this is how exactly the structure of DNA that is present inside our nucleus.